Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to factory reset any Samsung TV. This is a 8 series Samsung TV, but this method will work on all models. So like the video, subscribe our channel and watch the video complete. First of all, go in the TV settings, then go to general, then scroll down to reset. Press OK here. But before pressing OK, I will tell you one thing, that all your stored password accounts will be erased off. So be careful. Now press OK. It will ask for a PIN. Give 4 times 0 if you haven't changed the code. Now press the reset again. You have to wait for some time till the progress bar goes to 100%. Our TV is resetting to its factory settings. Don't press any button of remote while TV is resetting, or don't disconnect power from the wall socket. Otherwise your TV will not work again. The TV screen will go blank and the logo appears again. This is how we can factory reset any Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.